Hello everyone, welcome back to RahulGuru IIITS. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of loops in C++. Loops are a powerful construct in programming that allow us to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's understand the basic idea behind loops. Loops are used when we want to execute a block of code repeatedly. They help us save time and make our code more efficient. C++ provides three main types of loops: the for loop, the while loop, and the do-while loop. Each serves a specific purpose, and we'll explore them one by one. Let's start with the for loop. It's a compact way of expressing loops when you know how many times you want to execute the code. For int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, your code here. Here, I is the loop variable, initialized to 0, and the loop continues as long as I is less than 5. After each iteration, I is incremented by 1. Next up is the while loop. It's used when you don't know the exact number of iterations beforehand and want to continue executing the code until a certain condition is met. Int I equals 0, while I less than 5, your code here I plus plus. In this example, the loop continues as long as I is less than 5. Don't forget to increment I inside the loop to avoid an infinite loop. Lastly, we have the do-while loop. It's similar to the while loop, but it always executes the code at least once, even if the condition is false. Int I equals 0, do, your code here I plus plus, while I less than 5. Here, the code inside the loop is executed, and then the condition is checked. If it's true, the loop continues. Now, let's see a practical example using a for loop to iterate through an array. #include using namespace std int main int numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, less than numbers, I less than, return 0. This program uses a for loop to print each element of the array, numbers. It's a simple example, but it illustrates the power of loops. And there you have it, an overview of loops in C++. We covered the for loop, while loop, and do-while loop, along with a practical example. Practice is key to mastering loops, so don't hesitate to experiment on your own. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.